So for those of you that are using both the Mini 3 Pro and the Mavic 3, you can bind both of them, and it's really easy to launch once you bound them. I'm not going to show you how to bind them, but I will show you what that looks like once you do bind both. So when you hit the launch screen, it's going to say connection guide, and on the connection guide, once you click on it, it's going to give you the Mini 3 or the Mavic 3. So you pick one of them, whichever one is on. The Mini is not on right now, so it's just saying, hey, this. So I click on the Mavic 3. Right now, they say this is kind of a bug. It says firmware inconsistent. You click on it, it says updating firmware. It takes about a minute. Actually, it takes about 30 seconds or less. Click OK, and you're in. So I don't think it actually puts any firmware on there, but it's showing you the that you can actually launch. So there you have it, very easy.